wheel brush, tire brush, lug nut brush, wheel mitt thingy, woolly for the wheel brush. Oh my gosh, is there a better solution? Well, maybe. Alright, let's take a look at this new wheel cleaning solution called the Woolly Wormit. It's a fairly new product, I believe, so let's check this out. So this is the Woolly Wormit right here. Let's take a closer look. So this is the Woolly Wormit, or Wormit, and it is a flexible wheel cleaner. It feels pretty rigid, so this bending action lets you get behind the spokes, which is really cool. This is removable. It has these two loops here, so if you want to wash it, I guess you can take this off pretty easily. There you go, and you can actually see this contraption, and it seems fairly flexible. It does feel pretty rigid, but you know, time will tell. I will give it a shot trying it out. It comes with these Lug Nut Adapters. I'll open these up for you. So depending on the size of your wheel lug nuts, this is small, this is the larger one, and I think on my wheel is going to be a smaller one. I'm not sure, we'll find out. But this basically attaches here. I believe, yeah, there's some an alignment area where you put it on, and you put the Woolly Wormit, if I'm saying that right, back onto here, and it comes with a set of these sponges for the lug nut section. So I'm going to open this small one, and it has some insert areas here where you line it up. One thing to note there, the sponge has a little insert here. You can just pull that out so it can wrap around the lug nut. So just pull out that excess sponge material, and there you go. There's a space for the lug nut to fit in, so it can scrub around the lug nuts and get it nice and clean. And let's see if I can get that in there. Oh boy, let's see. Yeah, this is a pretty involved wheel cleaner, but I think once it's all set up, it's all good. There we go. And then just pull it on, slides right on, looks like. Seems pretty secure. I think my biggest concern is it coming off into the lug nut area. But yeah, it's on there pretty tight. Then once you are set up there, you slide this back on. It comes in this dark gray or black color. Looks in the package. I think you can buy extra ones on their website. I think it's woollywormit.com. Just for the record, I'm not sponsored. This is totally unbiased review. And then that's it. You have this for the lug nut. You have this for the wheel. So I'm going to go ahead and try this out today and see how it works. The Woolly Wormit. Will this replace all the wheel cleaning tools for me? Let's find out. So here it is doing a great job cleaning the wheels like any other wheel cleaner brush I use. However, what I do like about it is it's so easy to bend and get right behind those spokes, even in those nooks and crannies that are hard to reach. Now, of course, no two wheels are alike, so your mileage may vary around that, but for the most part, it's easy to manipulate and get around there and really get back there and scrub. I like how it can clean the face of the wheel if you hold it a certain way, but it's not the most ergonomic way to clean the face of a wheel. But my favorite thing is the lug nut brush, or the lug nut sponge that's attached to the end of it. It does a great job. It fits. I'm using the large one for my lugs, and they just clean it really well. And it fits right behind the brake calipers. Here's the rear Brembos on my car, and it fits back there fine. And time to rinse. And it will fit in my behind my front Brembo brake calipers, which are much larger, and it can be really tight back there, but it doesn't seem to have any issues getting that area clean. Now back on the GTI wheel, this is the result. Overall, very clean in the barrel. Overall, pretty clean wheel. Back to the SS. Again, I love these lug nut sponges. I think that's my favorite part of the tool. It's just easy to clean there versus the Lug Nut Brush, which is kind of a pain to use. I don't know how well it cleans in there, without really scrubbing it hard. Again, I love how you can get behind the spokes. You can bend it at any angle and really get the face of the wheel clean as well. Again, not the most ergonomic for that, but it does the job fine. Again, every wheel's different, but for my wheels, they seem to be working pretty well so far. Only thing I would change maybe is some of the ergonomics around it, but overall, I'm very pleased. So I hope that video helped. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below and what you use to clean your wheels and what your favorite tools are. Does the Woolly Wormit replace all my wheel cleaning tools? It replaces a lot of them. I think the only thing it won't replace is the tire brush, but that's not a wheel, that's a tire. So hope that this was helpful. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave some comments below, and we'll see you next time. Take care.